This is mobilespin.net. You can make your own ringtone, wallpaper, or video for free. We're going to look at how to make a free ringtone. You can access the free ringtone tool from the home page or from the menu on the left-hand side. Select the file that you want to make into a ringtone. Choose the category and decide whether you want to make it public or private. Then click Upload. You can create your ringtone using the clip tool, or you can use the first 30 seconds of the file. Let's take a look at the clip tool. You can select the start and end points, and you can choose the segment of the file. You can preview it, and when you're ready, you can click the Clip and Convert button. Your ringtone has been successfully uploaded. You can preview it, or you can click the download link to download it to your PC or your phone. You have two options. You can download the ringtone to your computer, or you can download it directly to your mobile phone. Let's look at how you can download it to your computer. Select the format, and then click Download. Once you have saved the file to your computer, you can sync it to your phone using a USB cable, a Bluetooth, an infrared port, or a memory card reader. Now, let's take a look at how to directly download the ringtone to your phone. Open the mobile browser on your phone. Type wap.mobilespin.net. When the MobileSpin WAP page opens, it will prompt you for a WAP code. In order to get the correct WAP code, you will need to select the format for your ringtone here. Then click Generate Download Code. Enter this code into the WAP code field on your phone, and then click the link below the input box on the WAP page on your phone. You will now have the ringtone on your phone. Go ahead and try it. Thank you for using mobilespin.net.